Hello everyone, it's Lulu. Today we're making this gorgeous, delightful cracked cookies. Crispy on the outside, soft and gooey inside, with those perfect cracks. The best part, we're making 3 flavors from one simple base recipe: original butter, matcha, and cacao. Those cookies super easy, bake in just 12 to 14 minutes, and pair perfectly with coffee or tea. They also make perfect pick-me-up afternoon snacks. It is so hard for me to decide which one is my favorite, but if you have to make me pick one, I think I'll go with the matcha and original butter. I can wait for you to give a try. Let me know which one is your personal favorite. Okay, let's get started. First, separate 3 egg yolks in different container and save egg whites for another recipe. Measure out 3 portions of 50 grams softened, unsalted butter, 3 portions of 60 grams of granulated sugar, 3 portions 20 gram almond flour. The only differences of ingredients is cake flour. We need 68 gram cake flour for original butter flavor, 62 gram cake flour for both matcha and cacao flavored cookie, 2 gram baking powder and 1 gram baking soda for all cookies. Then 5 gram of matcha powder, also 5 gram of cacao powder for cacao cookies and matcha cookies. I've measured out all ingredients and set on the side. First, I'll start with the matcha cookies. I'm combining sugar and softened butter together. We'll combine them in the bowl. When butter and sugar well combined, add in room temperature egg yolk. We'll combine egg yolk into butter and sugar mixture, kind of form into a pasty look. Then sift through all dry ingredients: cake flour, almond flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Matcha powder. And gently fold until just combined. Don't overmix. Transfer dough in ceramic wrap or parchment. Shape into a log and chill for 30 minutes or overnight. This helps the flavors meld and makes slicing easier. And repeat the same steps to make a cacao flavored cookie. Combine softened butter, sugar, and egg yolk together. Sift through all dry ingredients: cake flour, almond flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Sift through cacao powder. Gently fold until just combined. Shape into a log. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now, original butter flavor. Combine butter and sugar first, Then sift through cake flour, almond powder, baking powder, and baking soda. Mix them. Don't overmix. Mix until just combined. Shape it into a log, then wrap it up. Leave it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes minimum. You can also leave it in the refrigerator overnight. After 30 minutes or next day, take a dough out, dividing them into 7 to 8 equal pieces. You definitely can use a kitchen scale if you like to be precise, but I didn't use kitchen scale today. I'm kind of just eyeballing the portion of each pieces. After dividing them into 7 to 8 portion of little pieces, then shape them in your hands. Use both hands, shape them into little round shape, then gently press down. Place them on parchment paper, continuing working the rest of the dough until you finish all of them. While I'm working on all the dough, to finish all the dough, I am already preheating oven to 338 Fahrenheit, 170 Celsius. Once you roll each dough into a round shape, then very gently press them down, so then they will spread it out beautifully while baking. After 12 to 14 minutes, here it is. Look at how beautiful they are. The kitchen smells delicious as well. So allow them cool down for a few minutes before gently transfer them on cooling rack. I love those cookies so much, especially matcha and original butter. They are super light, but it's still so satisfying when you have those sweet tooth cravings. And go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let me know which flavor is your favorite. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.